Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you how I made this brown rice flour tortilla. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a pot on medium heat, we're going to add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then add 1 cup of brown rice flour. Stir, then allow the mixture to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Continue to stir until you reach this consistency. Form a ball with the mixture and coat it with brown rice flour. Place the ball in between 2 plastic wraps and press to form tortilla. Place tortilla in a hot skillet on high heat and cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side. And there you have it, brown rice flour tortilla. See you guys next time.